guys should be at the 6 spots at the front of the room over here. Josiah, Aubrey, Declan, you were in the right spot. Over here. These 6 spots.
Right.
I don't know why, but
Thank you, Declan and Delta and Maverick.
Do you have chocolates?
Ariana, come find
Take.
a 6 spot, please. Grant, find a 6 spot, please.
First graders, when we eat, the meals should not be on the floor.
Lena, you need to put that in the trash.
Where's the trash? Oh, you need to make some.
I want you to go sit down. It is time
Ariana.
for you guys to listen.
Evan!
Ariana, go sit down, sweet girl.
My hands are very sticky.
Can you write it?
Go sit down. You guys are ready for your lesson.
First
Obby,
grade, we
take
need
a
to
seat.
move on to science. Cameron is ready to listen. Declan and Delta are ready to listen. Harley's not ready yet. Thank you. So our objective for science says why do I still hear talking? You should not be talking if I am. Lena, I need your eyes up here. Our objective for science says I can observe how different materials affect a beam of light, and I can determine why light is important. Do you guys remember that really big word we learned last week?
Illuminate.
Raise your hand. Grant, I like your nice white hand. Illuminate, and what does that mean?
It means light up.
It means to light up. So we're going to keep talking about things that illuminate and different things that a beam of light does with different objects. We shouldn't be touching the people around us. We shouldn't be talking to them. Our eyes should be up here. That would be great, Declan.
I'll never turn the light off.
I'm sure you'll get a chance at some. Thank you.
Light.
So this says illuminate, to light up, which is just what we were talking about. Yes, Maverick? I'm sorry. So you guys remember how we made an anchor chart of different things that illuminate? So we're going to look at some different things that illuminate too. Maybe we'll find some things that we put on our anchor chart. So a candle, we put fire on our anchor chart, right? And isn't that what's illuminating on a candle? Yeah. A cell phone, did we put that on ours?
No.
No, but a cell phone illuminates, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The screen. Yeah.
Or when you. Yeah. Yes.
A flashlight, that illuminates.
Or when you like.
I need you to raise your hand if you have something to say. This is a kerosene lamp.
Oh, I have one of those when I go on a horse.
You need to raise your hand if you have something to say. Yes, Aubrey.
That we didn't. I think we put that on our anchor plane, but if we didn't, it's still illuminates.
Right? Yes, Lena.
I have one of these when I went on the horse ride.
Oh, yeah. A lamp.
Literally.
We have a lamp right there. Yep. And it's illuminating, isn't it?
We put a lamp on ours.
Matches.
Yeah. When you like
The moon. The moon illuminates, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Aubrey.
I know that the sun shines to the moon, so that's why the moon lights up.
You are exactly right. And the sun.
It's too light, I can't look at it.
Do you guys remember this picture from your pre-test?
Yes.
From the top of that column, it says no light can pass through. So we're going to look at things that if you were to shine a light at them, there would be no light on the other side. Just like in that picture.
Are we going to see a video of it?
No, not today. First, look around the room. Think in your head. If you were to shine a light at something, raise your hand if you can think of something that the light would not go through. You would not see it on the other side. Tape.
The wall.
The wall? So if I was to shine a light at that wall, you wouldn't see it in the hallway, would you?
No.
Nope.
And outside the window.
Declan?
Move it there.
A desk? So if I was to shine it right here? If I was to use the flashlight right here? You can't see it on the other side, can you?
Oh yeah, you can actually.
You can see it on the table, but you can't see it through the other side. Lena.
Paper.
Paper?
Yeah, it
Well, we're gonna look at that later. If I did not call your name, you do not have permission to speak. Ooh, Lena, you just said books. So if I was trying to light at a book, would you be able to see light on the other side?
No.
Let's try. Can you guys see light?
No.
No. A box of crayons. If I was trying out a box of crayons, you wouldn't see light on the other side.
It would not.
Or really a box of anything, right? What about a baseball?
Yes. Yes.
I don't have a baseball, but I did bring a football.
Whoa.
Can you see light on the other side? No, no light's passing through.
Did you buy that?
No. What about logs?
Yeah.
You wouldn't see it on the other side. If you were to shine a light at a tree, would you see it on the other side?
Yeah. Or a big tree. Oh, a big factory.
A truck. If you were to shine a light at a truck, you wouldn't see it on the other side.
It reflects.
Maybe if you were to shine it at the windows, you would see it.
Yes.
But not if you were to shine it at the red part of the truck, the body of the truck, right?
My dad has that truck and he tried.
Or the tires. Okay, now we're going to look at things that some light can pass through. You see how on the picture right here, how you can see a little bit of the light, but not all of it. So now I want you to think in your head again, something maybe that you see around the room that you think, maybe if I was to shine a light at this, a little bit of the light would go through. It should all be in your head though. Raise your hand if you have an idea. Delta?
Paper.
Paper. I didn't ask for anybody to talk except for Delta. So if I was trying to light this piece of paper,
Yes.
can you see all the light?
No.
No, just some of the light. Avi?
Plastic.
Plastic like what? What kind of plastic?
Like
You see something? Oh, like the trash bag? That's a good idea. Grant?
An empty wood box. I'm doing.
What do you mean? What do you mean an empty wood box?
Work box.
Oh, work box? That's a good thought. Declan has an idea to shine it at this bag. Do you guys think that some of the light will go through?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All the light went through it.
Lena?
A water bottle.
A water bottle, like some of your,
You have
like
a water
maybe
bottle?
Declan's?
You have
You'd
a
probably
water
try
bottle? Let's go get it. Or a plastic water bottle.
Or a plastic water bottle? Okay, let's look and see what's in here. Let's look and see what's in here. Oil. You can kind of see in this picture how you can kind of see the light coming through, but you can't see all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Lined paper, did we look at that?
Yes.
Yeah. Newspaper. All of these, yeah, we didn't do it, but all of these things I'm showing you, you'd be able to see a little bit of light on the other side.
It's the same thing. Yes.
Oh, you guys were right. A diamond. All of these, I'm not asking you if you can or not. You can. All these things I'm showing you, the light can go through. Yeah, from a ring. So we're going to stop there for today. Tomorrow we're going to look at things. There should be no talking. I know it's the end of the day, but we're almost done. Tomorrow we'll look at things that all the light can pass through. But today we just looked at things that no light can pass through and that some light can pass through.
I do a lot.
Raise your hand if you can tell me something that no light can pass through if you shine a flashlight at it. Kendry.
A wall.
Walls.
That's what I said.
Maverick.
The
A bulletin board. Yeah. Raise your hand if you can tell me something that some of the light can pass through. Aubrey.
computer? No.
I don't know about a computer. I don't think any light would go through. A computer does illuminate though, right?
Yes, it illuminates.
Watana.
A plastic water bottle.
plastic water bottle. Ariana. You were raising your hand. You must have had an idea in your head. You forgot your idea? Cameron.
The window.
A window?
Because there's luminaire outside.
I think maybe all the lights go through a window. What do you think?
No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No.
I was talking to Cameron.
On the glass.
Okay. So what you guys are going to do, if you're talking, you're not going to know what to do. You're going to have a lot of questions, but I'm probably going to be answering them right now. When I call your row, you're going to go back to your seat with a paper like this. This top line says, one object that lets little light through is, and you're going to finish the sentence. You're going to finish the sentence based on what we talked about as a group, or what you saw in the PowerPoint, or maybe something that you think that a little light will go through. This next sentence says, one object that lets no light through is, and you're going to finish that sentence again. Lena. So you're going to think of something that no light will go through if you shine a flashlight at it. So you're going to stretch out the word and spell it the best you can. When you get done filling in your sentences, you can draw a picture on the top, but you should not be drawing a picture at the top unless both of these sentences are finished.
Well, it doesn't have to be like a picture of.
Yeah, you would draw a picture that matches the sentence.
And can we do two?
Raise your hand if you have a question. Take
Can we do two pictures
if
for
you
both
have
of
time.
them?
If you have time. So what are you doing first, writing or picture?
Writing.
So there should be nobody at their spot drawing pictures if they don't have their writing done, right? Right. Okay, front row, stand up. Did I tell you guys to talk? This work that you're going to be doing is independent work, so there should be no talking.
I can see like blue.
Middle row. Macaroni cheese. Are we supposed to be talking right now?
No.
No. You should be at your desk working quietly. Grant, what did I just say?
Don't pick up. I know.
Lena, put your shirt down, sit at your desk, and write, please.
Don't forget today. We know.
First grade, why are we still talking? If you have a question, raise your hand, but other than that, you should be writing.
What does the first row say?
What I just say to do if you had a question.
So the first one is what lets a little light through, and the next one is what lets no light through.
Josiah, stretch out the word. Table 1. You guys need to be
Hands. I can't go through no hands.
If you're talking, then yes. It sounds stupid. You're working awesome. Thank you. Watana, you can get a Perry buck. Evan, you can get a Perry buck.
I've been done for like an hour.
Maverick, do you need to give me a Perry buck? Your friends are getting them because they're sitting and working quietly, and you're still over here chit-chatting. You need to finish this one too.
Say sorry to them.
Lena, he's fine. He's picking it up. It was an accident. It's okay. Your picture should match what you wrote down here, Lena. I didn't say you draw.
Like what?
More things a little or no lighter.
Pictures?
No, write them. Or you can draw pictures. Can you read it to me? Right? Does that make sense to me? We're going to write something that if you were to shine a light at it, it's a little bit of light. I'm going to pick it up there and I can macaroni cheese! We're getting really chatty, but we should still be working by ourselves. It's okay if you're coloring your picture or you're writing some more on the back, but we're still not talking right now. Capiche?
Capiche.
Oh, good job. Kate,